What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. FG begs US billionaire for ventilators on Twitter. The federal government has come under attack for going on social media to plead with United States billionaire Elon Musk for ventilators to tackle COVID-19 pandemic. Mr. Musk, who is the founder and chief engineer of SpaceX, had tweeted on Thursday that his firm had extra ventilators that had been approved by the Food and Drug Administration in America. He tweeted, "We have extra FDA-approved ventilators. We will ship to the hospitals worldwide within Tesla delivery regions. Our requirement is that the vents are needed immediately for patients and not stored in a warehouse." In its response, the Ministry of Finance, Budget and National Planning tagged the billionaire on Twitter, asking him to assist Nigeria. Here is the ministry's tweet. "Dear at Elon Musk, at Tesla, federal government of Nigeria needs support with 100 to 500 ventilators to assist with COVID-19 cases rising every day in Nigeria." Nigerians are not happy at the moment. So seeing this tweet, Nigerians took to Twitter to respond. Some of the tweets are not in favor of the federal government. This guy said the 37 billion budgeted for National Assembly renovation could have bought thousands of ventilators. Another tweet reads, "Are we that broke in this country? All those billion naira donations, wetin una take am do?" Speaking of donations by the private sector, the Central Bank of Nigeria has said that the donations now stand at 15 billion naira. So I wonder why the federal government is still begging for ventilators from individuals. China, a billionaire in China, has donated materials, healthcare materials to Nigeria free of charge, and they still expect another billionaire from a different country to provide ventilators to care for those that have been confirmed positive for coronavirus in Nigeria. The donations that individuals are making to combat and eradicate this virus, what are they going to do with the money? We know that Nigeria as a country is not poor, but Nigerians are poor. The looted funds that they have recovered, according to the government, what are they doing with those funds? Where did they keep it? It's time for them to bring out the funds that they have recovered so that it can be put to use to fight this virus in Nigeria and take care of the masses. Another tweet says, "The federal government ought to have used diplomatic and business channels to get help rather than going on social media to ask for help." Somebody else said, "With a budget of over 10 trillion and borrowing of 22.7 billion, we are begging for 100 to 500 ventilators. Nigeria as a country is a mess. A total potpourri of jokes. So we don't have ventilators and our president and public officers go abroad for medical tourism." Bring Back Our Girls convener Aisha Yusuf said, "It was ironic that Nigeria, which had not been encouraging tech companies, could beg a tech billionaire for help." She tweeted, "The Nigerian government is begging at Elon Musk. It's the same Nigeria that has been harassing and killing young tech people in Nigeria. They bullied everyone with laptop and did everything to kill their dreams. They refused to hit citizens shouting, 'End SARS.' This has nothing to do with SARS at the moment. We are talking about lives and disease that is spreading all over the world. It's now in Nigeria, and Nigerian case now stands at, I think, roughly 170 or 170 something thereabout." So the federal government has to step up and stop this their social media begging. If you go on social media, you see Nigerians begging anyhow, sending account numbers. I'm surprised that individuals in their right senses can be throwing their account numbers, their data, details about their account to different people, unknown people, because they need help. Begging for 5,000 naira, 2,000 naira. Before I forget, the federal government said that they have started distributing 5,000 naira to every household that they deem poor in Nigeria. But I don't know the criteria of determining how poor a household is, because I know that we are lacking database in Nigeria. So I don't know the modalities that they have employed to determine who is poor and who is rich in Nigeria. But I know that we know the rich ones like the politicians themselves. So how did they understand those that are poor, that are in need of 5,000 naira? For instance, if you have a household of 6 persons in your house, what will 5,000 naira do for you? They said the president gave instruction to pay about 2 months or 3 months in advance, making it a total of 20,000 naira. So if they give you 20,000 naira for a family of 5 or 6, what will 20,000 naira do for you in 2 months or 3 months to come? 20,000 naira will not be enough to take care of a family of 5 for a month, not talk of 2 to 3 months or even 4 months, as they said. So the federal government should stop begging online and use the resources that we have in Nigeria to take care of Nigerians. After the backlash from Nigerians, the federal government deleted the tweet and issued a statement. The special advisor, media and communication to the minister, Yunusa Abdullahi, said that the tweet was not done with the permission of the minister. The statement reads, "An unauthorized post was made on the verified Twitter handle of the Federal Ministry of Finance, Budget and National Planning. The fact of the post is regrettable, because of which it is brought down." So they knew from the onset that what they are doing is wrong, because I don't understand the reason why they should go online and start begging. How can a federal government of Nigeria be begging an individual to assist the country when that individual knows that Nigeria is blessed, that we have money to even care for other countries in Africa? I don't understand why the government will bring themselves so low to start begging for arms online. And they didn't even put a call to this man. They went on social media crying, begging for arms. When people are donating money, we have individuals like Dangote who has made his contribution. We have Adeleke, Adenuga, Mike Elumelu. We have people in Nigeria that have donated huge sums of money to fight and eradicate coronavirus in Nigeria. That money, what are they going to do with it? Are they going to turn it to their personal use? The fund that they have used to procure brand new Toyota Corollas for our House of Rep members can be used to heal Nigerians that are falling sick on daily basis. So the federal government got it so wrong by going online begging Elon Musk for money. What do you guys think? Do you think the federal government did the right thing by begging an individual ventilators to care for Nigerians when people are donating billions of naira to care for those that are sick at the moment? What do you think about this? What's your opinion? Let's meet in the comment section and continue this conversation. Like this video, subscribe if you have not, share it with your friends and family. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.